Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to add Visa gift card to Cash App. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Cash App and log into your account. So once you've logged in on your account here, so what you're going to do, you're going to hit on these when you're on your home tab here. Get to your home tab, hit on add cash, and then select the amount that you wish to add from your Visa gift card. So you can just choose here or just enter custom value. So for example, just choose this and then hit on add, and then when you get to add here, so now you'll get the screen here where you need to plug in the details of your card. So here what you have to do is simply add the details of your Visa gift card. So just type in the details of your Visa gift card and then hit on link card, and once done, and that will link your card to your Cash App. So that's how you can add your Visa gift card to your Cash App. So I hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.